John Keats as a Greek writer or Hellenism in the poems of John Keats. So within few lines you can answer like this, that in his most of his odes they are based on the, or they always present his Hellenism or his love for Greek mythology, for Greek myths, religion or art. So now within few lines let us have a look at the Hellenism of John Keats. So John Keats as a Greek poet, his love for culture, okay, John Keats love for culture. What kind of culture? That is culture, Greek culture, literature, Greek literature, and even the characters of the ancient Greece shows John Keats Hellenism. This is love for culture, okay, of John Keats. We can find very well in most of the poems of John Keats that how much he loved ancient Greek culture or ancient Greek literature, though he never knew the Greek language. It all came through only translations and stones, and his poems are full of references from the Greek myths and Greek legends. That is very, very strange for the readers, for the critics also, that John Keats, he was completely unknown to the Greek language. In spite of that, he was so overwhelmed after going through the literature of Greece country, that he couldn't control himself. He presented a picture of the Greek culture, religion, art and sculpture, and he even possessed a Greek spirit and a love of all that belonged to ancient Greece. Or there are, we can find that Ode to Aggression, and the title is also suggesting how much he loved Greek culture, its life, okay, literature, myths, legends, art, and even sculpture. Like Greeks, he saw gods and goddesses everywhere. So only within few lines you can answer John Keats Hellenism or John Keats as a Greek writer. Okay, both are same, Hellenism and a Greek poet.